A good taco topping is what makes tacos such an amazing treat. And here I'm showing you the authentic Mexican toppings. So let's start with cilantro. Fresh cilantro is in almost every kind of taco. Onion, this is my favorite one. Fresh onion makes any kind of taco very special. Salsas, of course, you can go for salsa verde, salsa roja. Pico de gallo, a good pico de gallo can go on any taco. Another one that is very special for tacos, cabbage salad. There has to be a few drops of lime at any taco. Shredded cheese, red onion, radish, but cut it very thin. Queso fresco, crumbled queso fresco is another option as a top for your taco. Guacamole can go pretty much with everything. Now, avocado, just chop avocado. Chiles toreados are amazing for any taco. And you can check out any topping for any kind of taco at my blog, mexicanfoodbylaura.com.